What's going on, everyone? Welcome back to another video. My name is of course Paul, carrying on now with the Z Fold7, and Spigen have been kind enough to send out the Glass TR Easy Fit Pro so we can see just how good it is. Is this the best screen protector you can buy for your Z Fold7 right now? Now, I did install one not so long ago. There's a video coming soon on a different one, but will this one be any better? So we're about to jump in and find out. Now, my guy at Spigen sent me a load of stuff to get through. I've got cases to get through, I've got lens protectors to get through, there's a Galaxy series, Valentinus wallet as well that goes great with the Galaxy products, which is just designed just for Galaxy. And there's also the OneTap Pro 3 Cryo Max charger as well. So we'll see how good that is in like a short. And there's a lot more stuff apparently still on the horizon with Spigen, so make sure you stay tuned, get subscribed now. We did do a video not so long ago on the aramid fibre case they bought out. I'm hoping, fingers crossed, they add mag fit to it. If they add mag fit to it, that case, next level. So Glass TR Easy Fit Pro, Spigen, something you want, shows you how it's going to work. And you get these little things on the side. So on the top right here, easy installation, real glass, oleophobic coating, 9/8 surface hardness, and Spigen case friendly. And what I've noticed with Spigen, no matter what case brand you tend to go for, they're always pretty good. So, but they like to let you know it's good for Spigen stuff. I am going to cut from the bottom. Obviously it's got two tabs on the top, but let's just slice that open. So let's go ahead and get this out. So flip it back over, peel this out, and you get a full kit inside this. So you get your how-to guide, says caution before installation, and then you get a installation kit right there, and your squeegee tool, and an installation pad for your Galaxy Z Fold7 because of how it rocks on a table. This, we're going to pull one out. I'm going to leave one in the box for future, in case we ever need it. So there it is, installation made easy. You're going to put it over and then press and slide and pull the tab from the bottom. So we'll come to that in a second. This is your foam pad and your squeegee. Look, it's nice how it fits into the foam pad. Let's go ahead and get this out. Because with this Z Fold7 and the camera setup, we're going to need it. So let's take it out, let's put that to one side. Let's get the Z Fold7 and you place it on like so. Then you get your installation kit out. You're going to find your wet wipes and your dust removal stickers, etc. Obviously you're going to find a few of them. And of course the all important microfiber cloths, and then your dust removal stickers, nice big ones this time from Spigen. And one extra in there, so let's get rid of that. Let's take away one of these. Is this two? Nope, it's just one. Okay. Lens and screen clean and wipe. You're going to open it up like so. It is really wet, this, so you're going to get this done as quickly as you possibly can to get that screen clean. Obviously I've had a screen protector on there already, but I have just touched the screen as well when it's come off. So you want to get all them fingerprints off and all that dust and debris off your screen. Obviously the dust removal sticker, etc. will take care of most of everything that you've got, but you want the screen nice and clean, ready for that install. So I like to place this to one side out the way, get the microfiber, and then just sort of go in like a circular motion. You don't have to do this, I just like to do it just to get some of the wetness off the screen, as it makes it a little bit better when you're installing it. You haven't got to push as many bubbles out the screen. Also as well, you should really turn your phone off. But obviously I haven't done that, like a fool. So there's that. Get your dust removal sticker. You can use the small ones if you want to. I just like to use the big one. Fold it over like so, and then you're just going to dab over the screen wherever you see any like little bit speckles of dust starting to set. So next up you're going to put this over, as you can see where it says the top, so it's going to go over the top of your phone. Like so. And then what you're going to do is you use step number, let's move that over out the way so you guys can see it. You're going to use step number 1 there, which says to pull. So you pull, like so. Step number 2 is you push down and then slide your finger down. Now I like to do this just a few times. You haven't got to, but I just like to do it a few times just to make sure that it's like setting over the top of the screen. Okay. I'll do a little clearing up while we wait. You're meant to wait about 30 seconds normally. Okay, so as you can see, you got this little lip on the top because it's got like a layer over the screen protector that's we're going to peel back. So when you're ready, just sort of get your finger and then start to lift, and it lifts off like so, but as you can see, this layer should come with it, so make sure that happens. So as you can see, I've got a few bubbles right there, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to take care of these really quickly, as I possibly can. It pushes out so easy as well. Well, with the tool, obviously, because it's got the nice microfiber end on it, it makes it so easy just to push out. So as you can see, that one just literally faded into nothing there, which is great. And then obviously just keep pushing. Now obviously you may end up with just a few just at the bottom right here, and again that's on like how wet the screen was, and then eventually they just literally fade, so you just got to keep like sort of rubbing it so that the water just tends to push out. Like it's not really water, it's just moisture, so you're just pushing all that moisture out, and then you end up with something that looks just like that. Absolutely fantastic again from Spigen. I mean, so easy to do. Protect your Z Fold7, protect any phone really. So with the Glass TR Easy Fit, it makes it so easy, makes you look like a pro as well as this being a pro. Also as well, I've just opened the phone up just so you guys can see, no drag delay at all, works perfect. Obviously you don't need your fingerprint sensor because it's on the side, but I mean, so nice, so fluid. Don't have to worry about your screen, protect your screen, it's nice and scratch free. And of course, works just as it should. Glides nice and easy. So let me know what you think in the comment section down below. What screen protector are you going to rock on your Z Fold7? It's super easy to do. The phone looks great already. Having that screen protector on there, is this something you were consider going for? Huge thank you to Spigen for sending this out to me. It's going to pair up great with their cases. Obviously we've already done the Armoured Fibre one. These are the Tough Armour Pros right here. And hopefully we'll have some more coming in the next few days, so make sure you stay tuned, get ready for them videos. If there's anything you want to see for the Z Fold7, let me know in the comment section down below, and I will try and make it happen the best I can. We've got a lot more videos to get through before we move on, so make sure you get ready and stay tuned. But I am absolutely loving this right now. I hope you are too. I'll leave links in the description down below to where you can pick up yours and how to get it through being my affiliate link. Won't cost you guys any extra, just give a bit of a kickback to the channel. Let me know what you think in the comment section down below. Is this something you would go for? Thank you guys so much for watching. Drop a like if you liked it, subs if you loved it, turn notifications on, and I will see you all in my next video. See you all soon.